Ever thought of a toilet experience that feels like a trip to the future? Welcome to Japan. But wait, before we begin, please subscribe to ensure that you never miss out on any of my crucial stuff. Comment, "I subscribe" below, and I will personally welcome you to our community. Let's get started. When it comes to the high-tech world, Japan is a leader, and their toilets are no exception. In Japan, the humble toilet is transformed into a sophisticated hub of technology, designed to provide the ultimate in comfort and cleanliness. It's not just about doing your business here. It's an experience, a journey of discovery, a testament to Japan's unwavering commitment to innovation and superior hygiene. First off, let's talk about the multifunctional bidets. These aren't your standard bidets. They come with a control panel, offering a range of options that cater to personal preferences. Some models even have sensors to automatically adjust the water pressure and temperature to your liking. Talk about personalized comfort. But the innovation doesn't stop there. Imagine, on a cold winter day, you enter a restroom and find a heated seat waiting to welcome you. In Japan, this is a standard feature. With temperature controls, these heated seats bring a level of comfort that makes your visit to the restroom something to look forward to. It's like a warm hug on a chilly day. And then, there's the music and privacy noisemakers. You know those awkward moments when you wish you could drown out certain sounds? Japan's got you covered. At the push of a button, you can play a melody or the sound of running water to mask any noise you'd rather keep private. It's a thoughtful feature that speaks volumes about Japan's meticulous attention to detail and respect for personal space. These high-tech features are more than just fancy gadgets. They're a reflection of Japan's culture of hospitality, where even the smallest details are given careful consideration to ensure comfort and convenience. So, next time you're in Japan, don't miss out on the throne experience. It might just change the way you think about toilets forever. Imagine sipping coffee while surrounded by cats or served by robots. Only in Japan, right? Japan's themed cafes are far from the typical coffee shop. They're a testament to the nation's love for creativity, novelty, and the extraordinary. These establishments are not just about serving food and drinks. They're about providing an experience that's one for the books. Let's start with cat cafes. Now, who wouldn't want to enjoy a warm cup of coffee while petting a purring feline? In Japan, this charming concept is a reality. Cat cafes are sanctuaries for cat lovers who may not have the space or time for a pet at home. As you sip your coffee, you're surrounded by a clouder of cats, each with their own unique personality. It's calming, it's therapeutic, and it's a whole lot of fun. Then there are the maid cafes. Here, waitresses dressed in maid costumes serve patrons as though they're the masters and mistresses of a private home rather than customers of a cafe. It's a playful spin on the traditional cafe experience, with an added dash of cosplay culture. The maids engage you in games, performances, and conversations, making every visit a unique adventure. And if you thought that was eccentric, wait until you hear about robot cafes. In these futuristic establishments, robots serve your meals, perform shows, and even engage in conversations with customers. It's a fascinating blend of technology, entertainment, and dining that reflects Japan's pioneering spirit in robotics. These themed cafes are more than just places to grab a bite or a drink. They're immersive experiences that allow you to step into a different world, even if it's just for an hour or two. They epitomize Japan's knack for pushing the boundaries of what's possible in the realm of hospitality and entertainment. So, ready for a cup of coffee with a side of extraordinary? In a world where space is a luxury, Japan offers a solution: Capsule Hotels. Now, you might be wondering what exactly these are. Imagine a world where your hotel room is a streamlined, space-efficient pod, just big enough for a single bed. That's the concept of a capsule hotel, a marvel of Japanese innovation, reflecting a society where practicality meets creativity. These hotels, which first appeared in the late 70s, are a testament to Japanese ingenuity and their ability to adapt to limited space. You see, in Japan, particularly in bustling cities like Tokyo, the cost of land is exceptionally high. So, the concept of a capsule hotel, which maximizes the use of space, is not only ingenious but also very practical. But don't let their compact size fool you. These capsules are designed with the utmost care to ensure comfort and convenience. Inside, you can find a bed, a small television, and often a console with controls for lighting and temperature. It's like staying in a futuristic pod, a unique experience that you won't find anywhere else in the world. In addition to being space efficient, capsule hotels are also cost-effective. They offer a good night's sleep at a fraction of the price of a conventional hotel. This makes them a popular choice among budget travelers and people who need a quick place to rest without breaking the bank. Yet, it's not just about practicality or cost-effectiveness. Staying in a capsule hotel is an experience in itself. It's like stepping into a science fiction movie, where you get to live in the future, even if it's just for a night. It's a peek into a world that could be, a world where efficiency and innovation create unique solutions. So the next time you're in Japan, why not try a night in a capsule hotel? It's not just a place to sleep, it's a journey into a uniquely Japanese experience, a testament to a society that's always looking for innovative ways to make the most of what they have. So, fancy a stay in a futuristic pod? Before we continue, can I beg a little favor? If you're liking what you're hearing, show us some love by pressing that like button. And hey, if you want to be in the loop for our fantastic upcoming videos, make sure to press subscribe and ring that bell so you're always in the know. Oh, and one more thing. Drop a quick "I subscribe" down in the comments, and I'll make sure to offer you a warm welcome to our amazing family. Alright, enough of that. Let's keep the conversation flowing. In Japan, vending machines are not just about snacks and drinks. They're a whole new level of convenience. Picture this. You're out and about, it starts to rain, and you've forgotten your umbrella. No worries. Just swing by the nearest vending machine and buy one. Yes, you heard that right. In Japan, vending machines dispense a wide array of items, far beyond your typical crisps and cola. These mechanical marvels are a testament to the Japanese culture of convenience and efficiency. They are everywhere, from bustling city centers to quiet residential areas, ensuring that you're never more than a stone's throw away from a quick solution to your immediate needs. Whether you're craving a late-night read, in need of a warm meal, or simply want to grab a hot coffee on a chilly morning, Japanese vending machines have got you covered. But it's not just about the wide variety of items on offer. It's also about the ease and accessibility. These machines operate 24/7, tirelessly serving the needs of the populace. No matter the time of day, these vending machines stand ready, their bright lights a beacon of comfort in the quiet of the night. What's more, the vending machine culture in Japan also speaks volumes about the country's safe and trusting society. High-value items such as electronics, and even cash-filled envelopes for paying bills, can be found in these machines, free from the fear of theft or vandalism. And let's not forget the novelty factor. Ever fancied a mystery box? Well, some vending machines offer gachapon or capsule toys, where for a few yen you can get a surprise toy or trinket. It's a fun little gamble that adds a dash of excitement to the everyday. These vending machines are more than just coin-operated dispensers. They are a symbol of the Japanese ethos of omotenashi, or hospitality, constantly striving to anticipate and cater to the needs of people. So, next time you're in Japan, don't forget to check out these vending machine wonders. Amidst the ultra-modern cityscapes, Japan's historic Shinto shrines and temples stand as a testament to its rich culture and tradition. These sacred sites, nestled in the heart of the urban jungle, offer a serene escape from the bustling city life. Shintoism, Japan's indigenous faith, emphasizes the existence of spirits or deities, known as kami, in nature. Shinto shrines and temples serve as a conduit between the physical and the spiritual realms. They are places of worship, where people pay their respects to the kami, request blessings, and express gratitude. Each shrine and temple carries a unique historic and cultural significance. For instance, the Meiji Shrine in Tokyo, dedicated to Emperor Meiji and Empress Shokan, is a symbol of Japan's transition from a feudal state to a modern nation. On the other hand, the Fushimi Inari Shrine in Kyoto, with its iconic red torii gates, is the head shrine for Inari, the kami of rice and agriculture. Unique Shinto rituals and practices are performed at these shrines and temples. Visitors can partake in various ceremonies, such as purification rites, where you cleanse yourself physically and spiritually before entering the shrine, or omikuji, a fortune-telling practice where you draw a random fortune from a box. The integration of these sacred sites into the modern urban landscapes is a testimony to Japan's harmonious blend of old and new. It's not unusual to find a centuries-old shrine standing in stark contrast against a backdrop of towering skyscrapers. This juxtaposition reflects the country's commitment to preserving its heritage while simultaneously embracing progress and innovation. So, ready to experience the spiritual side of Japan? Whether you're seeking solace, hoping for good fortune, or simply intrigued by the rich tapestry of history and tradition, these Shinto shrines and temples offer an insightful glimpse into the soul of Japan.